Alright, welcome back. Got part 2 on this backhoe. Finally got the bracket off. On this thing called Service Advisor, it says take those bolts off. Those 4 holes you see them, it's 4 bolts. And then just pop it off. It's not true. You got to take off all of those hoses on the control valve and the backup alarm. Then I finally got it out. Bracket's over there. Freaking weighs a ton. And cylinders right here, or the barrel at least. So we're gonna figure out what to do next. The nut broke off, so stay tuned for more.